honest with you, there I was just sitting and lounging on all of the clothing items that I own, because today I'm going to be trying on every single thing that I own, because your girl needs to clean out her closet, okay? I do not even understand how all of this stuff fit into my closet, and there are some things that I have owned for probably 10 plus years since I was in high school, and high school was a long time ago, okay? I graduated in 2011, so it's been 9 years since I graduated high school, so some of the stuff is just time for it to go. And there's sometimes I just buy things and just leave the tags on them and don't even wear them. So I'm trying to work on being a more conscious consumer. Ooh, tongue tied. I'm trying to work on being a more conscious consumer. So I want to only buy high quality items that are going to last me a while, that really fit my style, instead of just buying things because they're on sale, because that's kind of how I ended up with all this stuff. So let's, start trying things on, seeing what we're going to keep, seeing what we're going to get rid of, and, let's get it going. So this is what my closet looks like with all of my stuff, all my clothing taken out, not all of my things. As you can see, it is a majority of the closet. My boyfriend has just this tiny, tiny little space and some space for his work pants, but that is it. I'm just going to leave those scarves in there just because I'm not trying to deal with those right now. And then as you can see, a bunch of the stuff on the back of the door is also taken off. That belongs to me. Okay, so you can see how much stuff I have. Oh my gosh. And then I also have these 2 bins full of clothes that I just picked up from my mom's house that I need to go through. But look how much crap I have. And I probably wear the same 10 things like every single week. So, woo, it is time for a clean out. Okay, so this is the first top. I actually really, really like this top. It's one of my favorite tops for the summertime. I obviously haven't worn it in a while because it's the middle of winter, so why would I wear this? But I really do love this top. I just think it's so cute. I like the way it's cut. I like how it's like kind of a crop top. I don't wear too many high-waisted pants or anything, but I do really like this top, and I really like the way it fits, so I say this one is a keeper. Okay, so this is the next top. I actually really like this top. It'd be great for summer, but it is a tad bit see-through. I think I just needed to get it in one size up so it wouldn't have to stretch so much to fit on me. So I'm going to go ahead and list this one in my Poshmark store. Okay, so another top, I actually absolutely love this top. I love the frilly little sleeves, and I love how it's cut and just a little frilliness on the bottom. I can get away with wearing this to work when I wear an undershirt with it, and then just wearing it out during the summertime. I love this top. It is really the style that I'm trying to go for, which is more of like a feminine style. So yeah, I really like this top, and I'm definitely gonna keep it. Okay, so the next item is this super cute freaking dress. I don't think I've ever actually worn this dress, and I don't think I even tried it on when I bought it, but I absolutely love this dress. I've just never worn it, and I don't think I'm ever going to wear this, so this one is definitely getting listed on my Poshmark store. Poshmark is the easiest way to sell your items to help clean out your closet. As you guys know, I am moving in a couple of short months and just want to get rid of just a lot of stuff, and this dress is so cute, so it's definitely getting listed on my Poshmark store. You can download Poshmark by clicking on the link in the description box to shop my store or shop from any of your favorite brands. So I actually really like this shirt, but it is obviously way too big, so this is definitely headed over to my Poshmark store. Okay, so it is day 2 of me trying on everything I owned, and yesterday was a lot more overwhelming than I thought it would be. I really didn't realize that I have this many clothing items. Even when I took it all out and put it on the bed, it really didn't seem like that much. But when I was trying on everything yesterday, I was like making a separate pile of everything that I had tried on, and it literally didn't look like that giant pile on my bed was getting any smaller. And I think I really realized in that moment like how much stuff I own without even realizing it. And I don't think I would have realized it unless I was filming this video. So it is a new day. We are going to make it through. I spent a little time yesterday organizing everything so I can try it on more efficiently and either keep it, sell it, or donate it, or get rid of it, depending on how crappy it is. And I did go through a couple of things that I just knew needed to be thrown out, things that have holes in them, things that have stains in them, so I don't have to waste time on doing that, because obviously those can just be thrown out. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start with like jackets and cardigans, and then we're gonna move on to tops, tops, pants, and then dresses. So hopefully we can get this done and I can become a more organized person. Okay, so this cardigan was actually sent to me probably about this like suit jacket was sent to me probably about 5 years ago. I don't know if I've ever actually worn it in like, besides I took like one Instagram photo in it like years ago, but it actually still fits really, really nice. And it's just a really, really nice suit jacket. So I think I'm going to keep it, even though I really don't wear it. I feel like when I need a suit jacket, it'll be really nice to have, and it fits really, really well still, and it's just so nice. And I don't wear suits. I honestly hate wearing suits, but this could be really cute over like something more casual. So if I'm like going to a meeting or something, I want to be just a little bit, a little bit more bougie, I can wear this jacket. Also, trying on everything is nice because I kind of forgot that I even owned this, and I feel like I would have worn it more if I remembered that I even had it. So this is definitely a keeper. Okay, so we're moving on to tops. I own so many tops. Oh my gosh, I own so many tops, guys. Like, I really was not even aware of how many shirts that I own. So let's get into it. So we have finally made it to the last category of items I have to try on, which is dresses. And this first one here is absolutely awesome. It is definitely an Instagram dress. It is not a practical dress, but it really photographs beautifully. So I'm definitely gonna keep it. I even sewed in the side so it would fit, and the fabric is just so flowy, just so shiny. So I'm definitely going to keep this one, even though it's really impractical, but it is great for photos, and I wear it quite a bit in photographs. Okay, so this is the outfit that I wore to EDC, and I don't have plans to go back to EDC anytime soon. And like you can see, quite a few bedazzles are missing, so I think this one has got to go. anymore, so I think that means it's time for it to go. But this is one of my favorite dresses, so I am really sad that I'm going to have to get rid of it. I have worn this in so many Instagram photos. I think I've worn it too much. I absolutely love this dress so much. It's just my color, it's yellow, it's perfect, but I think it's time to let it go, so you'll be able to find this one on my Poshmark store, and I really hope the next person that gets to enjoy this dress just appreciates it as much as I have. It has been so great to me, so great to my Instagram feed. So yeah, I'm really sad that I'm gonna have to let this go, but I literally, like, I cannot bind it up, so I think it's time. It has been a very long and eye-opening 2 days trying on everything that I own. I think this experience really showed me just how much stuff I have collected over the years and how I need to stop buying clothing because I have more than enough. I'm so excited to get everything out of my closet and of my home and just have a cleaner and better space, a more organized space. So with that said, let's go take a look at the closet and see how much progress I've made. Okay, so this is the final result. This is what my closet looks like. So as you can see, there is just a lot more open room, especially down here. Every single one of these hangers used to have something on it. So I've cleaned out quite a bit, and as you can see over here, this used to be like stuffed to the brim. So I am super proud of myself for getting down this much stuff. I feel like it's still a little too much, but it is a work in progress, and this experience has definitely helped that. Over here, this is every single thing that is going to be going into my Poshmark store. So it's a lot of stuff. It still needs to be folded and photographed and organized, but you can use the link in the description box to download the Poshmark app if you are in the USA and Canada to shop everything you see in this pile and your other favorite brands. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can see more of my videos. You can follow me on Instagram at Krista_Knight, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!